Arrive in style with this 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: ABS, passenger airbag, auxiliary audio input, split bench seat, passenger airbag on-off switch, traction control, power windows, and rear-wheel drive. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.